Your Excellency, now the real Mudavadi has turned up. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellencies, the High Commissioners, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and our very good trainers and scholars in this TVET space. Hamjambo. Nawajua mnaona baridi, sivyo? Kwa hivyo nitapunguza maneno ili tumsikize rais haraka na tuanze kupata joto. But Your Excellency, I was here on Monday, so I had an opportunity to speak at length after you directed me to find my way here from the coast. I got involved in a conversation, and one of the young people who was interviewing us with the PS Moria raised a question that why are you training us, or you seem to be leaning in training the TVET people so that they can go outside. You don't seem to be giving attention to the TVET graduates who will work here. I attempted to answer that, and I said this, that the TVET program is training an all-rounder, training those who can capitalize on opportunities externally, and also training those who can capitalize on opportunities here, and over and above that, those who can also be entrepreneurs and generate jobs here. So, in all this, I was emphasizing that this program is so critical, but we also have a very huge population, a young population, and we need to really race against time so that they can get opportunities. But the bulk of the opportunities must be found here, the partnership with our private sector in Kenya. This is where the bulk of our people will go. So as we benefit from external exposure, we must always remember that the bulk of the work remains in Kenya. And I believe if we work together, we shall be able to address the growing challenges of a young population, not just in Kenya, but continentally. We are literally a population that is 70% young. Those of us who are standing here like me are in the minority. But the bulk of the people are young people, and that's why the TVET program is absolutely essential and critical for our country. Ladies and gentlemen, sasa naomba musimame, munyoshe mikono, musugue kidogo ili mpate joto, alafu tumwalike Mheshimiwa Rais aje kwa jukwaa tuhutubie. Asanteni sana, piga makofi kidogo.